Let me give you some advice on that. It'll never end. If you're in the rehab business, that job will never end. How many of you guys watch football? We were making fun of Alabama. You guys watch football? If you ever watch football, even if you don't watch football, you watch a random game, you'll hear them say, "Oh, they don't have much depth at that position," right? What they mean is they got one offensive, right guard, and if he gets hurt, it's a big step down to the other right guard. Like, they got a backup, but he's not that great. If they say they've got depth at that position, they got this wide receiver, and if he gets hurt, they got 3, 4, 5 wide receivers that can all get open and make a play. It's the same way with your contractors. I mean, if you don't have depth, you don't have anything in this business. And so you're all, even if you feel like you've got a great crew and you got a great backup crew, you better have a great third string, fourth. You never stop, getting business cards, writing down numbers on sides of trucks, asking people for referrals. Hey, who'd you use that was, if somebody posts a picture on Pig of this great screened porch they installed or these new windows, people say, "Oh, hey, who's your window guy?" Right? You may already have him, but ask, right? They put a picture of this great flooring. "Who's your flooring guy?" "Oh, I'm using Scott. He's got a guy, that's where I got my floors." So keep writing those people down, because even if you got the greatest crew in the world, that's for somebody who's done this for 20 years, you have the greatest crew in the world, and one day they take off to chase a storm, or one day they decide they're going to retire early because they bought a 8-plex that they're renovating. These are all true stories. One day they just get angry and go into a different business because they're tired of hammering, so it can all fall apart real quickly. And when you're running multiple jobs and multiple crews, you can't have it just shut down for months, right? So never stop building that list of contractors and business cards, and you just never know when you're going to need it. So that's just part of this job. Raising money, raising private money, looking for deals, and looking for finding contractors. That's going to be what you do as a rehabber. Okay, and if you guys are just wholesalers, you don't have to worry about that aspect of the business. Just find the deals and flip them, and let Drew and Tim and some of the others worry about it. They don't, you don't have to worry about it.